Are you wondering which tool is better for your coding projects? Today, we are comparing Firebase Studio and Replit. Both tools help developers build and run applications, but they do it in different ways. Let's dive deeper into each one. Firebase Studio is a platform designed mainly for mobile and web app development. It offers features like real time databases and cloud storage. You can easily connect your app to various Firebase services. This makes it great for developers who want to create dynamic applications quickly. On the other hand, Replit is an online coding environment. It allows you to write, run, and share code directly in your browser. Replit supports many programming languages, making it versatile for different projects. It's perfect for beginners and educators who want an easy way to teach coding. Now, let's look at the key differences between them. Firebase Studio focuses on app development with backend services. Replit is more about coding and collaboration in real time. If you want to build an app with complex features, Firebase is the way to go. But if you want to practice coding or work on smaller projects, Replit is a better choice. When it comes to features, Firebase Studio shines with its integration of cloud functions and databases. Replit offers a collaborative coding experience, making it easy to work with others. Both have their strengths depending on your needs. As for pricing, Firebase Studio has a free tier but can get pricey as you scale. Replit also has free options, but you might want to pay for more advanced features. In the end, if you're building a serious app, go for Firebase Studio. If you're learning to code or working on smaller projects, Replit is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.